In this guide, I'll show you how to get a promo code for Peacock TV. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. All right, what you want to do is open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now inside Google search bar, type in promo codes for Peacock TV, and then hit enter. And then you'll come to the search results inside Google. So you got coupons.com offering promo codes, coupon follow. So any one of these third-party sites will work, even Tom's Guide, groupon.com, get 50% off, etc. So just enter in any one of these, click into any one of these sites. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to couponfollow.com. So this is one I generally go to if I see this pop up. So it's a very good coupon promo code site. So as you can see, if I scroll down, they got a few promo deals you can check out. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the Peacock TV coupon, 15% off your order. And now what I want to do here is copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Peacock TV to activate your 50% off your order. You can also click redeem at peacocktv.com to automatically get the 50% off that order as well.